the channel. It is your girl Cilla B, and I'm back with another video. So real quick and simple, in this video I am going to be showing you guys some designer perfumes, designer dupe perfumes that were sent over to me by Dossier. Y'all know Dossier is family over here on this channel. Yeah, y'all know I love designer dupes. I love, you know, if it's gonna save me some coins, y'all know I'm all about it. So if you're interested in seeing these scents that I am going to try for you guys, keep on watching. And also, if this is your first time seeing my face, if you enjoy yourself by the end of this video, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and do not forget to hit that bell so you will not miss out on the upload from your girl. And yeah, also I would like to say, you guys, that I hope everyone is being safe out there with COVID-19 and with the Delta variant, or like the second phase of this COVID virus. I hope everyone is wearing your masks, using your hand sanitizer, washing your hands, wearing your masks. I know I probably said that twice, and just being safe out there. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get straight into the video. Okay, so I was sent over these scents by Dossier. If this is your first time viewing my channel, Dossier is a beauty company, a beauty business, and they sell designer dupe perfumes and colognes and unisex scents for men and women. And they just make their own scents into dupes of designer perfumes. So if you like me and you don't have the $100, the $200, $300, $400 to spend on your favorite designer cologne, your favorite designer perfume, your favorite designer, you know, body sprays, if you don't have that type of money laying around and you have just a couple of dollars laying around and you need a scent for a birthday party or a wedding or you church or whatever, Dossier has you covered. They have scents that range from $29 and I believe the highest is $59. Yeah, I will be sure to link their website in the description bar down below. So go and click that and check out their website. They have all types of designer dupes for you guys. Whatever your favorite brand, designer brand is, more than likely Dossier does have that dupe for you to try out, and you will not regret it if you do. And if you do decide to make a purchase, go over to their site and use my code PriscillaArnez 10 to save yourself some coins on your purchase. And yeah, so I will send over 2 scents by Dossier, and they do come in the boxes like this. And I'm gonna open up one for you guys. And their slogan, iconic scents, designer quality, no markups. So you can just test out the actual bottle, and if you don't like it, you can return it for a full refund for free, no cost to you. So yeah, their scents come with these little cards in them with the scent that you do choose. And the first scent that I do have for you guys, it is called Floral Pink Pepper, and this is inspired by Dior Miss Dior Cherie, the 2017 version. I don't know what that is. I don't wear Dior, so yeah. Dossier's mission, as I always read in all of the videos, our mission is to deliver the highest quality, luxury-inspired fragrances at a fair price, giving you the freedom to explore new scents. So yeah, they give you designer quality at a low, affordable, fair pricing for you to try out. And if you don't like it, you can just simply return it for free. You can get a full refund, okay? So this first scent is Floral Pink Pepper, and this is what let me show you it. the inside looks like. It looks like this, and like I stated, they usually do come with the sample, but this one doesn't have one, and that's totally fine. But it comes with the 50 milliliter container here with the fragrance that you chose, and Dossier does have women's scents, men's scents, and unisex scents for you to try out. But yeah, it comes with the 50 milliliter container. And the one cool thing about the container, you guys, which I love, because I'm always losing the top to my body sprays. Like half of my Bath and Body Works sprays, they don't have tops because I lose them. But with Dossier, if you have a problem with losing tops like me, Dossier's perfumes and colognes come with a magnetic top. So you won't be losing your tops like I do. I know I'm not the only one out there. Okay? So yes, once again, this is Floral Pink Pepper. And the top notes is bergamot, lychee. I hope I'm saying it right because I never say that word right. Lychee and orange. The middle notes are rose, jasmine, and pink pepper. And the base notes is patchouli, blonde woods, and vanilla. So me, I am more into like the sweet scents. I like stuff that smell like fruit or fruity, and I also like stuff that smells clean, like fresh. So I'm more of, you know, the sweet fresh type of lady more than I am like the musky and the woody side. So yeah, if these scents that I'm going to try for you guys are unisex, I will put on the screen that this scent is unisex, but I will also describe the scent to you so you can get more, you know, clear understanding of how it smells if you decide to go and make a purchase. And also throughout the entire video, I will post my discount code on the screen for you to jot down, write in your notes, go over to Dossier and put it in the checkout, you know, to save for your purchase, okay? So again, this is Floral Pink Pepper, and this is inspired by Dior Miss Dior Cherie 2017 version. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my left wrist to spray this scent. And what I like about them, you get a 50 milliliter container for $29.39 or $49. And their scents, the ones that I've tried in the past, they last all day. For me, I haven't had a problem or issue out of Dossier with their scents not lasting. So you get your money's worth, which I love. So let's go ahead and spray this so we can see what it smells like. And ooh, y'all, have my fan on, so hold on. Let's try it again. Just gonna spray once. So the top notes is bergamot, lychee, and orange. That smells good. Middle notes, rose, jasmine, and pink pepper. I don't know what pink pepper is, but it sounds pretty. Base notes, patchouli, blonde woods, and vanilla. It smells, it has like a sweet scent to it, but it also has like a musky scent to it. So it's like sweet and musky together. It smells really good. I would wear it. It's kind of strong. It's kind of strong, but it's nothing wrong with that. But it smells really good. I can smell the orange. And you know, the longer it sits, you know, the scents change when it's on your skin. And it sets, it has a different scent from when you first spray it to by the end of the day. So yeah. It smells really good. Floral Pink Pepper, okay. It's a little strong, but I like it. Floral Pink Pepper. I give this scent, let me see. I rate this scent, first impression, a 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. It has a strong musky, or not musky, no, it has like a strong woody sweet scent to it, but it's like really strong, but it's not bad strong, like make you choke and pass out strong, but it's strong enough for you to, you know, be able to smell it and say, hey, what's that you got on? That strong, not that knock you out strong. When you first spray it, it has that musky smell, that woody smell to it, but now just while I'm sitting here, it has more of a sweet, subtle scent. I like that. Floral Pink Pepper, 8 out of 10. Smells really good. And if you like Dior, what is it called? Dior Miss Dior Cherie 2017. If you like Dior Miss Cherie from 2017, if that's your favorite scent, Floral Pink Pepper Dossier got you. Next scent, it comes in the same box like so. And it comes just, it's the same, just like the other one. Now this box, it does have a sample in it, but like I stated, some scents that you may receive may have samples, some may not, but don't fret. If you don't like it, you can still return it. But this one is Oriental Cherry. I like some cherry scents. Oriental Cherry. And this is inspired by Tom Ford Lost Cherry. Never had Tom Ford perfume ever. So I also will put on the screen if this is a unisex scent. Yeah, so Oriental Cherry. The top notes are cherry, almond, and cinnamon. The middle notes are cloves, rose, jasmine, and plum. The base notes are Peru, balsam, tonka bean, and vanilla. So yeah, same 50 milliliter container. Comes with the matte top. Oriental Cherry. So I'm going to spray this on my right wrist, your left, my right, and see what this is about. So Oriental Cherry, and it seems like most of the notes seem like it's gonna have like a real sweet scent, which I love. I'm more of a sweet girl. I like strawberry and watermelon type sweet scents. So okay. You can smell the cherry. It smells really good. You can smell the cherry. Oh my God. You can smell the plum. Hold on. I gotta spray some more. I gotta spray more. I got to. I'm not even joking. Y'all, okay, I don't know what Tom Ford Lost Cherry smells like, but this smells really, really good. It's really, really sweet. It's really, really sweet. And I love sweet smelling perfumes, body sprays, body oils. I love it. I give this 100 out of 10. This broke the scale for me, my opinion. This broke the scale for me. Oriental Cherry smells really good. I can smell the cherry really, really good. I can smell the almond too. I can also smell the vanilla. The vanilla is really, really good. Vanilla and the cherry. Oriental cherry, y'all. It smells really, really good. If you like the sweet scent, Oriental cherry is for you. The floral pink pepper is more of a like woody sweet. This is more of a sweet, if you get what I'm saying. So these two scents that I tried out for you guys today, floral pink pepper and oriental cherry. Here they are. I gave the floral pink pepper a 8 out of 10, and I gave the oriental cherry a 1,100. Broke the scale over 10 because it smells really good, because I'm more into sweet scents. But yeah, if you love wearing designer perfumes, Dossier have the designer dupes for you over on their website. I encourage you to go and check them out. If you do decide to make a purchase, do not forget to use my code PriscillaArnez 10 to save yourself some coins, boo, and also let them know that Scilla sent you, okay? I recommend Dossier to the fullest, y'all, because like I always say, I don't have $200 laying around to go and buy designer perfume. You know, just say, oh, I'm finna go buy some perfume, and then walk in the store and go and buy $200 worth of one little container like this. No. Dossier, $29, $39, $49. Then you can use my code PriscillaArnez 10 to save yourself some coins. You cannot beat that. So yeah, once again, Dossier, I would like to say thank you for sending out these scents to me. I totally enjoyed them. And if you are new here, y'all, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And when you hit that subscribe button, do not forget to hit that bell so you will not miss out on an upload from me. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And yeah, y'all comment down below. Let me know what your favorite designer perfumes are. And yeah, don't forget to go check out Dossier. Discount code in the description bar down below. Dossier's website is also in the description bar as well. So do not forget to go and check them out. Once again, my name is Scilla B, and I thank you all for watching. Bye.